Welcome back to Learn with Loco, everyone.
Max here, and today's topic is a good one. Loco, have you ever felt like your heart was racing just because you had to order a meal in English?
Oh, absolutely. Especially when the waiter asks a question I wasn't expecting. It's like a pop quiz, but with food.
Today, we're going to fix that. We'll show you how to sound natural and confident when ordering at a restaurant.
No more, I want the burger. We're going to upgrade that to native level phrases.
Let's start with the basics. Many learners just say, I want, but that can sound a bit demanding, right?
Right. Imagine you're at a nice cafe and you bark, I want the coffee. It sounds like you're giving an order to a servant.
Exactly. Instead, we use I would like or could I have.
So, instead of saying, I want the salad, you could say, could I have the garden salad, please?
And what about I'll go with? That's a classic, isn't it?
Yes. It sounds very decisive. Like, I've looked at the menu, and I've decided, I'll go with the grilled salmon.
It sounds much more natural, like you know exactly what you're doing.
Now, what happens if you have an allergy or you just really hate onions?
That's where people get nervous. They try to say no onion, and it sounds rude.
How should they say it instead?
Use could I have that without? Or is it possible to leave out?
For example, could I have the burger without the pickles, please?
Or if you want something on the side, could I have the dressing on the side? That's a very common request.
It's all about adding could I and please. It's magic. It softens everything.
Okay, the food was great, the service was nice, but now comes the most awkward part, the bill.
Oh, the classic can I have the paper struggle.
People say, give me the bill, which is a bit blunt.
A better way is, could we have the check, please? Or could we get the bill when you're ready?
And if you're in a group, you might need to ask, could we split the bill?
Yes, that's essential. Could we split the bill, please? Or are we able to pay separately?
Remember, waiters are busy, so adding, when you have a moment, makes you sound super polite.
So, to wrap it up, stop saying I want and start saying I would like or I'll go with.
Use could I have it without for changes and always say please at the end.
You're not just ordering food, you're practicing a social skill. You've got this.
Go grab a coffee today and try it out. See you in the next episode.
Hope that helped. Hit subscribe for more.
See you next time.